Stay tuned for this DIY Minecraft jack-o'-lantern. In this video, we're showing you guys how to make a Minecraft jack-o'-lantern. We love Halloween, we love carving pumpkins, and when we saw this Minecraft jack-o'-lantern, we knew we wanted to make a version of it. Alright, we're going to start this project by making an 8 by 8 inch wooden box. Using some wood glue and some nails, we'll go ahead and assemble this box. In this next step, we're going to be using screws for the bottom because we want it to be removable as we're going to be installing a light feature. Next, we'll apply a little spackling to cover the holes and then move on to sanding. In this next step, we're building this Minecraft jack-o'-lantern face. We'll be using a template with some wood glue, some 1-inch blocks, and some 1/2-inch blocks. We use the template to map out where our 1-inch blocks go, and then we can start gluing this face together. So a problem we ran into with this project is that the craft blocks aren't true to size. The 1-inch and the 1/2-inch blocks are actually a little bit smaller, which creates a gap in our pattern. To solve this problem, we're going to place the gap in the smallest area and then fill it with some putty. Alright, problem solved. That looks great. Next step, we're going to apply a coat of primer. Moving right along, we're going to paint the inside brown. And then using the base plate, we're going to measure for center and screw down our light feature. And once that's done, we're going to give it a coat of brown paint to hide the fixture. Moving on to the exterior, we start by mapping out a 1/2 inch grid for our block paint job. The grid pattern is done. Next up will be the paint job. We recommend starting with the lightest color and working your way towards the darkest color. When mixing up your colors, be sure to make enough, as this paint job will require multiple coats. For the last step, we recommend a clear coat to ensure you have a durable paint job. And once that's done, project complete. And now you know how to make a Minecraft jack-o'-lantern. We had a lot of fun with this project and love the way it turned out. Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. The jack-o'-lantern designs in that game I think look really cool. I love how he looks kind of like a rotten pumpkin.
Yeah, we know.
Right?
It's really
got
fun.
That cool rotten pumpkin look.
I was like how it's not symmetrical kind of. It's really cool how they have the eyes different, kind of like it was like wonkily carved.
Right.
And really cool how they use the different oranges and browns to give it those curves.
We should carve this face into a regular pumpkin.
Yeah, it looks kind of derpy though.
Stay tuned because we're probably going to carve this shape into one of our foam pumpkins. If you're into Halloween and pumpkin carving, we got a bunch of cool pumpkin carving videos. Maybe we'll build a body for this guy and make a fun little Minecraft Halloween prop. If you guys like this project, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.